Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you a cool little tactic that you can use for your Facebook advertising. And what it's going to allow you to do is create custom audiences, laser targeted, focused audiences for your business. So what you'll do is you'll be running some Facebook advertising, and you'll be able to actually choose a custom audience. So I'll go into that in a minute, but what we're going to do is we're going to find those targeted people. So if we use this example here, what I did, I typed into the search bar home-based business groups, okay, and it gave me the option, obviously, to give me all the names of the groups that we have. So what we have here is first one here, and you'll notice that there's 17,000 odd people in this group. 15,000 in this one, 1,000 in this one, so lots and lots of people to choose. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose this group, so I've done that already up here. Okay, and we're going to go in here and we're going to select on the right hand side here, this here, so where it says 17,000 members, and I've clicked my command or control button to open it in a new window. We're actually going to select this gentleman here, which I've actually blurred out for privacy. Obviously, we don't want to do anything, like that. But you can find it obviously. Then we duck over here to his profile. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to right-click, view page source, and it will open up in a new tab for you. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go Command or Control F, depending on what operating system you have, and it will come up here with, well, you're going to type in quotations, UID quotation. Okay, click Enter, and you'll see here it's found one here. Okay, and the UID of this person is right here. So you're going to copy that, and you're going to open up a CSV file, and you're going to place that in there. So I'll go and do that now. Okay, so now you can see I've got an Excel workbook open, and I've pasted the UID in here. And we'll keep repeating that down the list. Alright, hopefully that makes sense, and you can save that, and when you save it you'll go File, Save As, CSV. There you go, comma separated values. Save it as a CSV, and you can save that anywhere you want. So I'm going to put it on my desktop. Save. Alright, so we'll leave that for another discussion. So that's how you find the UID. So you're building there a database of users from groups on Facebook. So we'll come back in a minute and talk a little bit about how you can use that. Okay, so now we're back in the Facebook Ad Manager. You have an option to use the Power Editor if you're a little bit more advanced, but you can also build audiences from your standard Ad Manager. So you'll see here on the left hand side they've added this recently, audiences, and you can over here create the audience. Obviously these are all blurred out. As you can see, all the people that are in these custom audiences along here. I've got one here is 53,000, several others around 60, and even some smaller, more niche audiences. So let's create an audience. So we click on Create Audience. Alright, so you'll see here a data file. We'll select data file. So we're going to name the audience. So this one. Alright, so we'll create a home-based business test. You can add a description, obviously, a type, and that's a list of UIDs, so user IDs, and we're going to go and find that folder Okay, so there's our desktop and the workbook. And let's create that audience. Probably because there's only one person there, it shouldn't take too long. There you go. Add people. One new ID found. Click OK. Alright, so let's go and have a look here. There you go. So as you can see here, home-based business test. I wanted to share something a little bit sort of ninja with you. Really, really cool stuff, right? As you can see, you can do this manually. You can go and get each individual user ID at any stage, go and pick it out at your will. However, I've got another little tool that I use every day, and you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but I find it really, really quite helpful to get my user IDs on autopilot. So, well, let's have a look here. So what I've done, I've typed in a phrase here, but you'll see here that I have found myself 4,828 members of this group here. As you can see, a whole load of pictures, and I can click on extract via API. Up pops my little box to save it. I can rename it, but I'll just call it members for now. And save it to my desktop. Bang, done. All I do now is go back to my Facebook ad manager, create an audience, and off I go. If you like this tool, you are welcome to go and grab it for yourself. There should be a link somewhere on this page or in this post that you can grab it and enjoy, have fun, play with it, and you'll find that the ability to grab a super targeted, laser targeted audience is your key to success when you're advertising. So you're going to be able to do promoted posts, suggested posts, right hand side Facebook ads, whatever it is that you want to do, and literally laser target the consumers that you want. And that could be any industry. It doesn't have to be home-based business. That could be consumers that are looking for widgets, could be people who you know are your target audience, and that's really the key to success in marketing online. So look, thanks. Hopefully that tip's helped you. Hopefully this software can help you if you decide you want to take it up. You can go and do it the manual way like I did for a little while, or when I stumbled across this fantastic little tool, I was straight onto it. Really, really easy. You have a great day.